We think things should be easy and that you shouldn't have to waste time on everyday frustrations like this. So we designed Nimble. Nimble is the world's first one-finger cutting tool. You can use Nimble to open almost any type of packaging made from plastic. And Nimble isn't just for opening packaging. It can be used to cut out vouchers for crafts, present wrapping, and more. I believe solutions should be simple, and that's what we've achieved with Nimble. We made countless prototypes of Nimble during development and tested them with over 150 volunteers around the country to make sure that Nimble does the job better than anything else out there. Its rubber body is specially designed to be one size fits all, so you don't have to worry about choosing the right size. You can use Nimble with either hand, left or right. A safe blade design means that although awkward packaging should be afraid of Nimble, you needn't be. Nimble's blade is made out of zirconia ceramic, a special material which is much harder than steel, so you won't need to worry about finding a replacement anytime soon. Nimble's bright colour means you can be confident that you won't lose it in a kitchen or desk drawer. Its compact and portable size makes it ideal to have around the home or on the go. We believe Nimble can save you time and frustration on a daily basis. We've worked really hard to get Nimble to the point it's at now, and now we need your help to take the last big step and get Nimble produced on a larger scale. So please back us and say goodbye to rat rage with a swipe of your finger.